Dollar index continued its bull run, yet again respecting higher lows and provided higher highs. At the same time, 102.5 it is closed at, which is a great resistance level. And important point to note is a flat top. And one more point to note is still it is trading and yielding lower highs. What does this mean for dollar index next week? Can we expect it to rise further as it is given a flat top? Can it rise further till towards 104 levels? Or we can see after 4 bullish candles, we can see a symmetrically red candle and it is going to resume its downward journey. Which position you should take, what to expect, how to profit trading dollar index next week, we will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Do watch till the end. Pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis on major global markets and commodities which are derived from dollar index, which are affected from dollar index as well. And yes, your every like and every comment is a great inspiration and motivation for me to deliver on time every time and with best of my abilities. Also, do share and subscribe as well. It's a great support from you. So with that, let's start. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. See, it has created the bottom triple bottom levels here. Since then, dollar index is trading in this bullish channel. Now if you look at, see, it has almost come till towards the flat top here. Now the top of this channel somewhere here at around 103, which is the first resistance level, 103 and 103.4, and then 104 is the ultimate resistance. So if it continues its journey on the upside, these levels are definitely to come out very strong resistance for dollar index. We have to be watchful. That is the first part. Yes, it is trading in this bullish channel. The downside support now is at around 101.5, 101.8 levels. This is the zone where it is going to get maximum support. Now let's have a look at more closely. See, first of all, double bottom is seen here after the couple of drops, and it is respected precisely 101.4, with which it has seen the good support, good rise. Now see, increasing body size and a flat top suggests that we may see couple or more bullish candles from here. Possibility exists. At the same time, since we have seen 5 to 6 green candles, now if it opens flat and resume its downward journey, remember, consider that as a reversal, because that will be the first candle. Possibly it could try to bring till towards on the first day itself. It could bring it on the 102 levels. Once 102 is breached, treat this as a bearish reversal and we are going to look forward to a sharper drop here. This is very important. It can reverse completely. In fact, it can yield higher lows or higher highs here in the first trading session. The closer of the first candle will decide which direction it wants to take. A red candle and a closer below or somewhere around 102 102.2 levels, you can say that it is going to reverse for the next few trading session and it is going to stay bearish. So this is a very important observation. Now on the upside, remember one point. See, 102.5 definitely a good resistance level. Now the next resistance is seen at 103, 103.2 levels. This is the next resistance. You can see double top levels here, and see, this is going to be the next resistance for dollar index. And beyond that, anyways, 104 is already there. And if you look at what it has done so far, see, on the downside it has respected this channel. On the upside also it is respecting this channel. The top of this channel is somewhere here at around 103, 103.2, which you need to be cautious of, which you should be watchful of. So this is something we can see on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. Likewise, on the weekly charts, you can see triple bottom. You can see multiple candles getting the support here. At the same time, every time see drop, retracement, series of drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So yes, it is yielding lower lows, lower highs every time. Now the highs of this channel is somewhere here at around 103, 103.5 levels, which is definitely a great resistance here. At the same time, one must not forget that it can see, it has given 4 green candles. This candle and this candle are now almost symmetrical. Bullishness is seen getting diminished, but yes, the closing flat closer is what the concern for me. It has closed at the peak here with the bullish bias here. So we have to watch out for how it behaves at around 102.6 to 103.2 zone. This is going to be critical resistance zone, and then beyond 103.2 is where the bulls will take over further. So this is something on the monthly charts, and we can definitely expect that possibly it could in fact break past this channel and try to rise. This is also one of the possibilities right now, though it appears distant dream, it can further continue on the downside here. Because see, let me show you something on the monthly charts. Dollar index on the monthly charts have been trading in this channel for years now, and right now it is retracing from the middle of this channel. It has the potential for it to resume its journey till towards 98 and 95 levels. There is a very strong possibility for it. Hence, we have to watch it carefully at around these levels. Now, let's have a look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, we can see lower highs are seen here. Yes, the double top levels at 104, 104.2 are very, very strong resistance. And see, the previous candle has a long tail with a smaller green body. This is almost opened flat. Hence, we have to wait for it to break past this zone at around 101.4. Once it drops below 101.4, any point of time in the rest of the month, see the month has just started. Remember this fact, the month has just started. Only 9 trading sessions are done. There are 14 more trading sessions which we need to watch out for. So, yes, it has just started. It has opened bullish. It can reverse from here, and if it does, it is going to be a sharp, sharp break. Now, if you look at the movement here, see 3 red candles, 1 bullish candle, couple of red candles, 1 bullish candle, couple of red candles, and it is trying to reverse again. But this time we have to be careful. Either it is going to give a break on the upside, or we can expect it to trade with a bearish bias and achieve the lower lows at 98. That is going to remain the first target. So now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators here. What are the indicators are suggesting? On the monthly charts, moving averages trading with divergence. This is still bullish. It is not willing to converge, but yes, the prices which were divergent from the moving average have converged till towards these levels, and we are observing lower highs as well. So we have to be careful here. Lower highs, lower lows suggests bearish channel. The stochastic has retraced. It is now almost trading flat. While on the monthly chart, the MACD is divergent, the MACD is bearish, and if you look at the MACD, see, it has the potential for it to hit the lows here before reversing. So on the monthly charts in the near term for dollar index, there is still not much of downside available. It can potentially continue with the down run for a little while. Yes, a little convergence, a couple of green candles should not be treated as the bullish reversal. Yes, the second wave is continuing. It will definitely try to pull the prices little lower in the near term, which suggests 95 levels can get achieved. RSI dropping here, and it is trading at a comfortable zone. Coming to the weekly chart, on the weekly charts you can see there is a crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average, and this is a bearish cross. This is happening after long, and this is the resistance zone here, 103, 102.5 here, 102.2 here. This is the great resistance zone for dollar index for the next few weeks, and possibly once it stays beyond 103.2, that is the time we should treat this for a reversal. See, stochastic is seen rising. MACD, now MACD is almost setting at the bottom here, which suggests that possibly there could be a rise. However, it could, because see on the monthly charts there is a downward move. It could possibly stay flat, and once it breaks out, it is going to be a more bullish breakout. Remember, this is the bottom here for the dollar index. A rise here is going to be a stronger one. RSI rising, and it is suggestive of bullishness. So yes, dollar index can try to pull back a little, but then we have to be careful, we have to be watchful. Now look at the moving averages. The 20 and 50 period moving average on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish crossover happening after long. Right now the 200 and 20 period moving average, this is the zone where maximum resistance or support is seen, and it is stationed at around 102.7 and 101.4 or 101.5 levels. So this is the complete resistance zone. Stochastic rising, back to overbought zone. MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. And if you look at MACD, see this is completing a second wave. I will definitely observe how it behaves from here, because it can turn downwards. RSI looking upwards and staying bullish. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Let me summarize and conclude and give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. But before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. Those who want to learn the tools, techniques, and strategies and equip yourself with all the knowledge so that you can identify profitable trades, be it commodity, currency, indices, or be it crypto as well. So these strategies can be applicable to any of your trades, and thus equip yourself with the right strategies. Join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Reserve your seat now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. and also you can be part of my signals channel where you can trade diverse set of commodities and indices. Reach out to me for more details. Now, considering this, see, now let me summarize first of all our observations. We have seen dollar index staying bullish for fourth consecutive straight week. However, in the near term, we have seen the DXY staying in a bearish channel, and hence on the upside there is lot much of resistance it is going to face, first at around 103.2 levels and then at 104 levels. These two are very critical resistances, and we have to be watchful and careful of these levels. At the same time, a bullish closing towards the end of the week suggests that it can continue with a little bullish momentum, and near term bearishness is seen. Now, where to buy? First of all, I will recommend you to buy here at 102.65 levels. Beyond that, 102.83 and 103.2. These are the two very good resistance level. This complete zone is something you should watch out for. Once it stays beyond 103.2, I will look forward to 103.6, 104 levels. Now this is the next resistance zone. See, it is spaced up a little, but yes, the resistances are little far away only, and hence as soon as it breaks past 103.2, more bullishness is going to prevail in the dollar index. Hence we have to be careful at around those levels, and then 104. Any move beyond 104 is a clear cut breakout, and then you can look forward to 105.5 levels in the near future. And for the daily resistances, see, there could be minor resistances in between 104, 105.5, but however, it will still be to be treated as bullish, and it can continue to march till towards the next resistance. On the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 102.35 level itself. Below that, 102.2, 101.95. Very good support exists here. Once it stays below 101.4, then only you should treat this that a bearish reversal is seen here. Possibly we are looking at 101, then 100, then 99.2 levels, and then 98 levels in the near future. When I say near future, it is going to speeden up the pace of drop. We have to be watchful here. Yes, it can drop or reverse from here, but then on the downside, 98 is going to be an extremely good support here. We have to be careful here. So largely in the near term, for next 2 to 3 months, we can expect it to stay in range between 98 to 105.5. For the next week specifically, possibility of a reversal exists, but only until 103.2 is respected. Below 103.2, we can expect it to reverse. Beyond 103.2, the bulls will try to take over the move here. So you have to trade accordingly. You have to trade with caution. You have to trade with a stop loss. You have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.